My name is Mike Jark and I'm Program Manager at ASML for our sponsoring partnerships, amongst others, with Glow Eindhoven. And this year we have actually 2 light art objects in the city created by ASML colleagues.
I'm Dave Poppel. I have been a 3D mapping artist and I've done a lot of mappings for Glow. I try to make a project every year which a kind of new element in the 3D mapping world. It's exciting and I'm very curious how it's going to work on the public.
I'm Katja Moors. I work as a project lead at ASML.
I'm Xuemei Yang from China and I joined ASML like a year ago. The Butterfly project is about make a bridge and to connect who you love around you.
We're working together with the Efteling. Their creativity is, I think, all over the place. It's very special. The story, the myth that came from Xuemei, she introduced it in the first stage. And yeah, we were all so inspired by the myth itself. And we were fantasizing what this could mean for us. And that's how the story started.